What if I told you that snow can carry a dark curse? In 1978, a small town in Canada was engulfed by a blizzard that wouldn't just freeze the streets, but also the souls of its residents. As snow piled high, whispers filled the air. Paranormal sightings sparked fear, but no one understood the true horror. Halfway through the storm, a chilling realization hit. The snow was cursed, bringing bad luck. Homes burned, families shattered. The blizzard lasted 8 days, each hour deepening the town's despair. Survivors claim the storm awakened something ancient, a dark entity that hungers for more. Could it return? Want more hidden truths? Hit follow